WNG698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
Okay. I almost missed this EAS, but there's the weekly test off of WNG698, and I captured this EAS alert along with... I guess they're kind of busy because they're receiving their weekly test too, but they'll be back with you shortly. I just got my weekly test, guys, and I'm currently recording. Hey, Danny.
I was right. Mine activated at 11 a.m. sharp.
Me too. I almost missed it. I only heard 2 SAME headers as soon as I turned it on.
Sorry if I ear blasted someone. I threw my phone down right on top of my WR11.
My goodness, that was crazy. Who still needs to get their weekly tests? Internet's still not back. Damn it. I just got my required weekly test at 11 a.m. sharp, so just saying. Who still needs to get theirs? Who still needs to get theirs? Preston? My camera's still recording, but I'm just waiting for the weekly test from you guys. It's on low battery too, so I'm afraid it's gonna die as soon as the weekly test begins. I was the first one too. We both of our weather radios went off at the same time. Somebody else got a weekly test in today. Let me look. I just got a YouTube notification. Oh no, it's Markiplier. Oh, I'll watch that later. I already got mine.
I only got my test on Wednesday. Or Wednesday.
You guys get yours yet?
Yeah, I have yet taken transmitted on May.
Hello?